AZ Squad? It's your boy AZ, and welcome to another video. Sorry that I haven't been posting lately because like I said in the other video, I'm busy. So I'm gonna try my best to start uploading more and more and more, like 3 or 4 days a week. I don't know yet. So on today's video, we're gonna be talking about what's inside my basketball bag video 2021 edition, and let's get started on the video. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, my bag here is a normal backpack. It's not a duffel bag, it's just a backpack. It's a Michael Jordan one, and I got this when it was my birthday, my 11th birthday, I think it was. I mean, I like it because I could fit almost everything that I need. So let's get on to it. So first, let's go on to the side pockets. Right, on this one, we have some snacks. We got some gummies. We got some granola bars, and that's it for that side pocket. For this one, I got my keys, and right here in my keys I got my pass for the gym, and then I have nothing else. So you guys couldn't see it, right? Alright, so for this pocket right here, I have my keys, and I usually have let me get this out of here right now. I usually have my wallet and my phone, but right now I'm recording with my phone, so right now I just have my keys. And then on the other pocket that you guys didn't get to see because of me, because it was my fault, I have snacks. I take a ton of snacks, fruit, because I'm always at the gym for like 6 hours, so I have to eat something. Now for this medium pocket, there is, you gotta stay hydrated. I got 2 water bottles, more snacks, a pump. I just checking if there is no more snacks, but I also have a pump to pump my ball. Oh, with that, I forgot there's some needles here. They're just tricky. I got some needles, I don't know if you guys could see. I got 2 needles. So if one of them breaks, I could use the other one. But I have 3. The other needle is on my soccer bag. If you guys want to see that video, get this video to 150 likes, and we will make that soccer video, or maybe I might just make it randomly so I could start uploading more and more videos, right? Now onto the main compartment, which is my favorite. I have an extra shirt. After practice, after my training sessions, right? My shoes, my basketball shoes. Now I wear 2 pairs sometimes, because sometimes one shoe gets how do I want to say it, like my feet start hurting and stuff, and I don't play good once my feet start hurting, so I always change. So I got the Kyries. I don't know what number, I forgot which ones are these. If you guys know what carries these are, comment down below. You know, and I have the, I don't know, it's erased, but I have Rip Gigi, #2. You know, when Kobe and Gigi passed away, Rip. You know, I put Mamba right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like almost gone. I might rewrite it, but it says Mamba for life. You know, that's the he always used to say that. And you know, my basketball number is 2, same as Gigi's. But right now my school isn't having basketball because of the pandemic and stuff. Hopefully later on, right? Before we get into the cones, I have another pair. You know, these are the Adapt 2.0 BB. You know, these are very comfortable, very light. These are self-tying shoes. You know, self-tying shoes. I got these. My brother got these for me for my birthday. And yeah, I got those for my birthday, and then he surprised me with these a week before my first freshman basketball game. So I have these a year now. I've wear these shoes for a year now. They still feel comfortable. These are one of my best shoes that I've ever worn. But I'm trying to try out the new Pumas, the LaMelo Ball shoes, the Pumas. And then I have some cones, so I could do some dribbling drills, some shooting drills with these. If you guys don't have this in your basketball bag, I guarantee you guys to put some cones in your bag. It doesn't matter if you have 3, if you have 6, 7. Because I don't use all of them, but just in case I lose some. My knee pad. I got my knee pad. It's ripped. It's ripped right here. I don't know if you guys could see it right there. It's ripped because I only wear 1, not 2. Because I only, like, once I grab the ball, I only land with my right knee, so that protects my right knee. And then I also have, I don't know if you guys know what these are, but these are ankle weights. I use these for shooting as well, so I could like get momentum and stuff, you know. Whenever I jump, it will like make it heavier for me, harder, and stuff like that. Then, you know, you guys might be saying, where's the basketball? I don't know if you guys saw in the beginning. I hide it back here because it was going to see. And here's my basketball. My basketball does not fit, but it's okay because I could hold it like this when I go. So my basketball is a Wilson Evolution, and it's a really good ball. If you guys are barely trying to practice on basketball, I recommend you guys getting one of the Wilson. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it because it lasts for a really, really long time, and yeah, and it has good grip. And I will show you guys my dad's basketball right in a moment. Alright guys, so I'm back here with my dad's basketball. You know, it's faded. The paint is kind of fading away. You know, on this side it's fading away, but on this side it still has some paint to it, and it still has grip, a little bit of grip, but it's also kind of slippery, not too much, not too bad that it will slip out of your hands. No, it's perfect. And this is my ball, which I got it almost a year ago. Almost. And it's still in good. My dad's basketball is still as good shape as this one, but this one looks older because we had this basketball for around 6 to 7 years already since he bought it, and so it's like kind of the same almost. It is the same basketball. When he first bought it, it looked like this. After 6 or 7 years, it's gonna look like this. Oh, we're going? Yeah, it's 7th year this year, I think. And so that's it for what's inside my basketball bag. I'm gonna show you guys the overhead view. I think that's what you call it. I'm not sure. And let's go. You know, right here I have the ankle weights, my keys, my 2 waters, my granola bars and my gummy, the 2 needles, the pump, you know, I don't know what pump it is, the Umbro, my knee pad, cones, my Kyries and my Adapt 2.0 BB, my Wilson, and my Michael Jordan bag. Alright guys, so as you guys saw the overhead view, and that's what I got right now. And then if you guys want to see a part 2 of what's inside my basketball bag, an updated version, click subscribe, get this video to 150 likes, and share with the friends. If you know a friend that's trying out basketball, just hook him up. Tell him to watch my videos, because I'm going to do a lot of basketball videos, working out videos, soccer videos, etc. You know? So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see next. And stay safe, AZ Squad. Let's go. Boom.